Hi guys and welcome to Soma's Friday special. On my Friday special, I discuss with you all the things that made me go ooh and ah, or all the exciting things in my life that I share with you. I think you already saw my biryani. But besides that, the most exciting news that I have is that I've started my law of attraction classes. And since I've just started them, I'm giving them at an amazing price of 1,000 rupees, just rupees 1,000 for an entire month. I'm having a course on how to align yourself with the laws of the universe and work in tandem with them, how to get whatever you want, whatever you desire, without constantly being at this loggerheads and trying to make things work. DM me if you're interested in a 1 month course which is going to be only online. There will be one Zoom call which will be optional during the whole course, and you'll be getting daily messages, daily updates, videos which will be telling you how you should start aligning with the laws of the universe and start making your life your dream life. You'll be having personal sessions with the coach. There'll be 4 sessions in the course of the whole month. Once a week, he will be taking cognizance of all the things, that areas of your life that you want or need to see improvement on, and how you can, learn things as per your requirements. For somebody, it might be, I don't know, a good partner. For somebody, it could be weight loss. For somebody, it could be a good job. Any of those things. There are a lot of philosophies out there which say that chanting gets the work done, prayers gets the work done, and in my personal life, I feel the law of attraction has done wonders. It's worked 500 times more than just praying or chanting. Of course, I also have my Guruji's blessings, but I felt law of attraction and kind of like The Secret and a culmination of other things all work together to make things happen. And luckily, this coach is on the same page as me, and we both have tried this in our personal life, and we have got some great results. So, off the bat, this is one of the most important announcements that I wanted to make today. Besides that, I want to share one more thing with you, which is that I have got some amazing additions to my garden and my organic garden, and I will be putting up photographs of that very shortly. I started farming. Imagine a place like Bombay. I'm growing my own vegetables in my own way, so I'm going to be sharing the photographs of that very soon with you. I You know what, I think I can give you a sneak peek. Why not? I think I will give you a sneak peek. So along with those things which made me go ooh and ah, I want to show you what has come into my garden. Okay, I think the window is not yet open. Hold on. Okay. As you can see here, can you see? That's a bhindi. That's the bhindi plant, and that's the mirchi. And yep, that's the mirchi. Those 2 plants, and there is a third plant which is a beautiful flower, which is this gorgeous purple flower. Can you see it? Can you see this lovely purple flower? So it hasn't bloomed yet, but it will, and it blooms like a big purple flower, and it's got threads, and I'll be putting up photographs of that. So I've kind of turned into a farmer, a full-fledged organic farmer now, and I'm quite excited. And wait, I'm gonna also show you my tomato plant. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, did you see the tomatoes? So these are my amazing additions to my life this whole week. and I thought I would share this amazing thing with you. And I'm really, really looking forward to having you now make a real connection with me in my life by joining my law of attraction classes. And you can DM me, and someone will get in touch with you and tell you what number you can reach our coach at and find out a bit more about the classes. So that's my special for the week. I'm gonna put up some photographs along with the IGTV of this, of all the things that are amazing in my life right now that I'm really grateful for. And thank you for joining me here. See ya. Have an amazing weekend.